Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, August the 26th, 2021. We have in this edition a lot of puzzles and Sudokus. I believe 9 of them. So a lot of brain exercise for you. So the third puzzle I will do for you is a binary puzzle, and this will be number 3301. Yes, 3301. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means that in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. We have here double 1, so here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then, yeah, we need to compare. I think we need to compare. Double, okay, 10. We need to compare the columns, I believe. We have double 1, no, 1001. This column and the second column. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Oh, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one. Very quick to solve. And I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th puzzle. In this additional, it will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.